Have you always wished you can talk to ChatGPT? Well, now you can. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Please go ahead with your question.
Write me one sentence on why voice AI interfaces are the future.
Voice AI interfaces are the future because they offer a more intuitive, efficient, and accessible way for humans to interact with technology.
Chatspert's intelligent context management system allows it to read unlimited length material from outside sources. For example, you can have it watch YouTube videos for you. Let's take a 3-hour podcast for an example. In one sentence, describe what this video is about.
This video is a podcast featuring an interview with Chris Latner discussing the future of programming and AI.
When in the video do they discuss about starting a company?
The discussion about starting a company is mentioned throughout the video, but the specific reference to starting a company is made at 2 hours 26 minutes. Chris Latner mentioned,
So you can see, even though the video is 2 hours, it was able to quickly find out exactly where you want it to be. And it always has a reference to a timestamp, so you can see exactly what it is.
Small but very good team of people. Like we started with extreme.
Oh, yeah. We're used to giving one-way, direct commands, but with Chatspert, treat it like a back-and-forth conversation. Chatspert may not initially understand your intentions, but through conversation exchange, you'll reach the solution. Please finish writing the function.
Sure. Here's one way to write the function that generates the Fibonacci sequence. Def Fibonacci sequence, N. Initialize the first 2 Fibonacci numbers.
Actually, I just want the function to return the first 10 numbers.
Sure. You can modify the code to return the first 10 numbers by passing 10 as the argument to the range function in the for loop. Def Fibonacci sequence. Initialize the first 2 Fibonacci numbers.
Exchanging information through speech comes naturally for humans. So why are we confining the way we interact with the computer to just a keyboard and mouse? It's time we disrupt the barrier between human-computer interaction.